Key maintenance tips for new Mercedes-Benz ML63 AMG owners. If you're a new owner of a Mercedes-Benz ML63 AMG, congratulations. You've got a high-performance SUV that's sure to turn heads. But with great power comes the responsibility of proper maintenance. In this video, we'll cover the key areas to watch, especially if you're a DIYer looking to save some cash and get your hands dirty. Timely maintenance is essential for any vehicle, but especially for high-performance AMG models, like the ML63. Neglecting it can lead to some pretty significant issues down the road. So, let's dive in. Engine and common problems. The M156 engine in the ML63 is a beast, but it has a few quirks you need to be aware of. Coolant lines. First up, those small plastic coolant lines around the engine block. They can become brittle over time and are prone to leaks. Regularly inspect them for any signs of cracking or weeping. Cam covers. Next, keep an eye on the cam covers. Mercedes used a coating on them that's known to cause leaks. You might need to remove them, buff off the old coating, and reseal them to prevent oil leaks. Cylinder scoring. Now for the big one, cylinder scoring. This is a serious issue that can lead to misfires, low compression, and ultimately, engine failure. It's particularly prevalent in cylinder number 5. Be diligent with your oil changes and consider using a high-quality, full synthetic oil. Regularly check your oil level and look out for any signs of metal shavings. Using a borescope to inspect the cylinder walls might be a good idea for early detection. Suspension, brakes, and lug bolts. Air suspension. Many ML60s have the Airmatic air suspension, which can develop problems as it ages. Look out for sagging, especially comparing the front to back and left to right. Often it's worn links on the ride height sensors that cause this. Replacing those links can be a much cheaper fix than replacing the entire air strut. Brakes. Those high-performance brakes need attention too. Inspect the rotors for grooves and the pads for wear. Replace them as needed. And remember that high-quality brake components are crucial for a vehicle like this. Lug bolts. Finally, a quick word about lug bolts. It's surprisingly common for the security socket to go missing. If yours is missing, consider replacing those security lug bolts with standard ones to avoid headaches down the line. But make sure you keep the code or letter for the security socket and buy a spare, just in case. Remember, the ML63 is a high-performance vehicle, and that comes with a high-performance price tag. Budget for repairs and maintenance accordingly. By staying proactive and tackling these common issues head-on, you'll keep your M-Class W164 running smoothly for years to come. Need Bluetooth music for your Mercedes-Benz? Do not waste your money on the outdated Mercedes Bluetooth dongle. Gizmo Guy Gadget provides an easy and inexpensive alternative solution to add Bluetooth to your Mercedes factory radio.
A review on the Gizmo Guy Gadget. I've had this for about 3-4 weeks now. Bro, this is the best purchase I've made for my S-Class so far. I have a 2005 S55 AMG. It does not come with any type of aux, Bluetooth, no way to pair your phone to the radio and play your own music. However, a lovely guy online sold me this Gizmo Guy Gadget. All you do is plug it in right there to the cigarette port. Comes with a USB Type-C charger as well. This you could stick almost anywhere. I haven't found a spot yet. For now, I'm leaving it right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful product. There's no static, the sound. You're not gonna get a better, clearer sound if you don't use this product. I've used other products. I bought a bunch from Amazon. Nothing compares to the quality and clearness of this product right here. I have my phone connected right now, and you guys can hear me perfectly. I'm going to play a little music so you can hear how it sounds with the music playing. But yeah, if I could rate it 5 stars, I would 100% give it 5 stars. This thing has saved me. To get an integrated system, it's going to be over $500 without installation. With installation, probably around $700. This little device saves you so much money on this thing, but I think you can really understand the clearness and the well build quality of this product. I love it. Rate it 10 out of 10 if I could. Have a nice day.
Google Gizmo Guy gadgets for details.